total blizzard. Supposed to go to Mount Shasta, go snowboarding. But now I'm off to back up to Mount Ashland, hopefully. All right. Thick, I hope I make it. Well, I followed GPS. It took me as far as I could go. I was committed. I could not stop. Otherwise, I was going to get stuck. Anyway, I went as far as I could, and that was it. So I had to back down the road about a mile, and so I found a 4x4. He came by and made a little turnaround spot for me. But woohoo! Yeah. There's my buddy. So anyway, I have no idea what's gonna happen. If I make it to the mountain today to snowboard, it'll be a miracle. Anyway, I'm just happy to be on the road, and it is beautiful up here, but that's no fun. Totally committed. It's like, don't stop. Deep snow, you know. Anyway, all right, to be continued.